no longer has any obligation to support the child.
No, I wouldn't be looking at that because again, there's no obligation status. So let's go ahead and get everybody sworn in and let's get this one all on the record and under oath. So at this time, I'll ask both parties to turn on their videos and raise their right hands, please. The whole truth and nothing but the truth will help you. You need to unmute yourself, Mr. Murphy, and say I will. And ma'am, Ms. Little, go ahead and say I will. Thank you.
I will.
I will.
All right then.
Thank you, Your Honor. The state calls Ms. Little. Ma'am, what is your full name?
Alicia Yvonne Little.
Who is the child in this case?
Ayana Danielle Murphy.
And until May 26th, ma'am, who was her father?
Roland Dean Murphy Jr.
And ma'am, were you able to hear my opening statement to the court?
Yes, ma'am.
Was all of that relief requested accurate as far as what you were expecting us to have the court do today?
Yes, ma'am.
And ma'am, in the other cause number, it's correct that a judge did terminate Mr. Murphy's relationship to your daughter?
That is correct. Yes, ma'am.
And you are in agreement, Ms. Little, with the state asking this court to confirm Mr. Murphy's arrears on the case as of May 31st, 2023?
Yes, ma'am.
And previously, ma'am, Mr. Murphy was ordered to pay his child support and medical support through the state's disbursement unit. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And Your Honor, I'm not sure whether you have it, but the state did send over a financial activity report.
Yeah, I got it right here.
Perfect, Your Honor. At this time, the state offers it into evidence.
All right, ma'am, I'm marking the financial activity report in this case. It states exhibit number 1. It shows what should have been paid and has been paid through the state disbursement unit and both the child support and cash medical. And the state is saying they want to go take it all the way to the 31st of May of this year. Is there any objection to court having this information?
No, sir.
Mr. Murphy, any objection, sir?
No, sir.
All right, state sworn admitted. You may proceed, Ms. Bongard.
Thank you, Your Honor. Ms. Little, according to that document, Mr. Murphy owed $42,567.20 as of May 31, 2023. Does that sound correct to you?
Yes, ma'am.
And ma'am, after this amount is confirmed as owed, are you wanting the court to allow you to release or forgive that full amount?
Yes, ma'am.
And so Mr. Murphy's child support arrears balance would be $0?
Correct.
And you understand, ma'am, that medical support arrears as of that same date appear to be $10,083.98?
Yes, ma'am.
And you understand, ma'am, that while you are able to release some of it, the state is wanting to confirm some of it as well?
Yes, ma'am. I understand.
So specifically, ma'am, you were wanting to get rid of all of the arrears that were owed to you. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
And so as of May 31, 2023, you're wanting this court to allow you to forgive that $8,033.14, so that $2,050.84 remains?
Yes, please.
And if confirmed by the court that only that $2,050.84 remains, do you have any problem with the state requesting that Mr. Murphy pay it back at $61 per month beginning October 1, 2023?
No, ma'am.
And anything else, ma'am, you were wanting the court to consider at this time?
No, ma'am.
Thank you, Ms. Little. Your Honor, I pass this witness.
All right, I'll be back in just a moment, Ms. Little. Call your next witness then, Ms. Bongard. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. The state calls Roland Murphy. Sir, what is your full name?
Roland Dean Murphy Jr.
And sir, is it correct that up until that order of termination was signed by the court, you were the child's father in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
And sir, previously you were ordered to pay both child support and medical support through the state's disbursement unit?
Yes, ma'am.
And sir, you had an opportunity to look at that record that the court admitted into evidence, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And sir, you agree with the amounts that the state was saying were due at the end of May 2023?
Yes, ma'am.
And so, sir, you understand that the state is requesting that we confirm that full amount of child support arrears, but Ms. Little wants all of it forgiven, so you'd have a balance of 0 child support arrears?
Yes, ma'am.
And then as far as the medical support goes, the state would like to confirm that full amount. The mother is willing to release everything owed to her, $8,033.14. And the state is asking that you repay that remaining balance of $2,050.84.
Yes, ma'am.
And sir, did you have any problem with that $61 per month repayment requested?
No, ma'am.
And you understand, sir, that would begin October 1st of 2023 and continue until the full amount is paid off?
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, you were able to hear my opening statement to the court, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Were you also able to hear Ms. Little's testimony?
Yes, ma'am.
Was there anything, sir, that needed to be corrected or added?
No, ma'am.
Thank you, Mr. Murphy. Your Honor, I pass this witness.
All right, Ms. Little, Mr. Murphy, I'm granting your request at this time. I'm going to go ahead and take the child support down to the child support amount that's owed Ms. Little down to zero. I'm going to take all out that she's allowed to take out as far as the cash medical is concerned. And the remainder, Mr. Murphy is in agreement to pay back at the rate as he and the state discussed. And I'll sign off on that order that does all that once presented to the court and get it taken care of. So I'll start with you, Ms. Little. Any questions?
No, sir. Thank you, Your Honor.
No problem. Mr. Murphy, any questions, sir?
No, sir. Thank you.
All right, Ms. Bongard, may the parties be excused?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are y'all free to go, folks? Be careful out there and be safe. We're off the record. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You know.